everyone, thanks for joining me today. And BeeBeeCrafts has reached out to me and asked if I'd feature some of their crafty products on my channel. And of course I said yes, so they let me select 5 items that I thought were a great deal and I thought you would be interested in seeing these crafty items. So let's start with this die set. There's 3 sets of dies, and we have the heart die, and you get, see, check my notes here, you get 10 of the heart dies, you get 7 of the square dies, and 8 of the round dies, and these all have stitching. All the dies have stitching, what makes an awesome die cut. Let me go ahead and show some measurements for these dies. So the large heart measures 4 3/4 across, and then the height on this one is 4 3/4. So that's the largest die. Flip over to the square die, and this large die is 3 1/8, and then the circle die measures 3 3/4 for the largest stitched circle die. I'll also put a link to the item number down in the description box, not only for this die set but for all the products that I will be sharing with you today. Up next I have some examples of some bag toppers that I created using these dies. I made one topper for each of the dies that they sent me. So here's the heart die, beautiful bag topper, the circle die that I created this one, and then the square bag topper. All you need are the dies and then an edge punch to create these, so hit that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on my tutorial on how to create these bag toppers. Next up I have a pack of 50 clear heavy-duty resealable bags, and these measure 7" by 10", and you get 50 in the pack. And these are heavy duty. They have a Ziploc resealable top, which will be great for the bag toppers that I'm going to share with you. So we'll be creating some bag toppers for these, and these are great for adding your dies or goodies. And if you want to shorten the bag, all you have to do is cut the bottom off and then tape it with some clear cellophane tape so you can make them different lengths, and I'll show you how to do that as well on my upcoming tutorial. Up next are a pack of 30 clear plastic boxes, and these are adorable, you guys. They put together really easy. They are measure 3 by 3 by 3, and they have a little flap that you can just insert into the top section, and they have the bottom assembly all cut out for you, so all you do is notch these in and it keeps your box nice and closed. You can secure it with a piece of clear cellophane just to make sure that nothing falls out of your box, but I'm going to show you how to create and design a nice packaging, probably for Mother's Day. This will be an awesome item. And once again, you get 30 clear plastic boxes in one pack, and they come nicely packaged and they're nice and flat, so easy to store in your craft room. Up next I have the MultiPurpose precision tip applicator bottles, and I love these bottles, and they come with a couple extra things here. Let's see, we've got the bottles with caps, and these are 1 ounce bottles, and then you also receive 18 tips of different precision tip sizes. You get 18 tips, so plenty for your bottles, and you can switch them out as you need them with the different liquids that you put into the bottles. And then you get 8 caps. beautiful and really inexpensive. I think all this pack was $4.75, so that's an awesome deal. So we'll be filling those up to work with our future projects. And up next, the item I was most excited about are the glittered cardstock. And you get 36 sheets, which is 3 of each color. And these are A4 size. And these measure 11.4 by 8.3 inches. And like I mentioned, you get 3 of each color and just a whole nice assortment of colors, all for the spring season. You also get some orange cardstock, which would be beautiful for fall, and you get some gold and silver, and then this champagne pink. This is like a copper tone, red, some dark blues, some fuchsia, teal colors, purple, just beautiful colors. And the nice thing about this, you guys, it doesn't rub off. It's nice and thick, and I can't wait to create some projects using the dies that they sent to me, and creating some projects with the boxes and the bags to make some goodie bags, and also the precision tip bottles that I will be filling up with my all-time favorite glues. So that's it, you guys. I will put all the links to the store and also the item numbers down in the description box. So hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted as to when my craft projects are uploaded using these BeeBeeCraft items. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care.